Are you trying to get your car title and registration in Texas? Maybe you just moved to the state, bought a vehicle from a private seller, or purchased a car from a dealer and want to understand what happens next. Either way, you're in the right place. In this updated 2026 guide, we'll walk through the Texas title and registration process step by step, including Form 130U, your county tax office, proof of insurance, proof of ownership, government-issued ID, fees, taxes, inspection changes, emissions rules, license plates, and the 30-day title transfer deadline. And here's why this update matters. Texas has made some important changes, including the end of most non-commercial safety inspections, new inspection replacement fees, new dealer license plate rules, and updated ID requirements for initial registration. If you find this video helpful and informative, please push the like and subscribe buttons to my channel for more videos like this. Now let's get started. First, let's clear up one of the biggest questions people have. What is the difference between a car title and car registration? A car title is the legal document that proves who owns the vehicle. It includes important information like the vehicle identification number, the make and model, and the name of the owner. Registration is different. Registration gives you legal permission to drive that vehicle on Texas public roads. It is connected to your license plate and must be renewed. So think of it this way. The title proves you own the vehicle. The registration allows you to legally drive it. Both are important. Without a title, you may not be able to sell, trade, or prove ownership of the vehicle. Without valid registration, you may be driving illegally and could face fines or other problems. Here is one of the most important things to understand. In Texas, title and registration services are usually handled through your county tax assessor-collector office, not a regular driver license office. There is a big difference between buying from a dealer and buying from a private seller. If you buy from a licensed Texas dealer, the dealer usually handles much of the title and registration paperwork for you. But if you buy from a private seller, you are responsible for making sure the title is properly transferred and the vehicle is registered in your name. That means you need to gather the paperwork, complete the title and registration application, pay the required fees and taxes, and submit everything to the county tax office. And do not wait too long. Texas requires the vehicle to be titled in the buyer's name within 30 days from the date of sale. The main Texas form you need to know is Form 130U, officially called the Application for Texas Title and/or Registration. This form is used when applying for a Texas title, registration, or both. But remember, Form 130U by itself is not enough. Before you go to the county tax office, gather your documents. In most cases, you should bring your completed Form 130U, proof of ownership such as the current title or out-of-state title, proof of current vehicle insurance, a current driver license or government-issued photo identification, and payment for title fees, registration fees, taxes, and county fees. If the vehicle is leased, bring a copy of the lease agreement. If the vehicle is new, the dealer may provide the manufacturer's certificate of origin and other required documents. Texas requires proof of current vehicle insurance when registering a vehicle. If you recently moved to Texas, contact your insurance company and make sure your policy meets Texas requirements. Do not assume your old out-of-state insurance will automatically work. The safe move is to contact your insurance agent before going to the county tax office. Bring your insurance card or proof of current coverage with you. Now, here is one of the biggest updates for Texas vehicle registration. As of January 1st, 2025, most non-commercial vehicles are no longer required to get a safety inspection before registration. But that does not mean the inspection fee disappeared. Texas now collects an inspection program replacement fee at registration. So the key update is this. For most non-commercial vehicles, the safety inspection step is gone, but you may still see an inspection replacement fee when you register. Even though most non-commercial safety inspections are gone, emissions testing still applies in certain Texas counties. Texas still requires a passing emissions inspection before registration in 17 counties, including major areas around Dallas-Fort Worth, Houston, Austin, El Paso, and surrounding counties. The emissions counties include Brazoria, Collin, Dallas, Denton, El Paso, Ellis, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Johnson, Kaufman, Montgomery, Parker, Rockwall, Tarrant, Travis, and Williamson. So before you walk into the county tax office, Check whether your county still requires an emissions inspection. This is one of the easiest mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about money. The Texas base registration fee is $51.75. You may also see a title application fee of $28 or $33 depending on your county. Texas also charges a 6.25% motor vehicle sales tax, and local county fees may apply. So do not assume the base registration fee is your final total. Your final cost can depend on your county, vehicle type, taxes, emissions requirements, inspection replacement fees, and other charges. Before you go, check with your county tax office for the exact amount and accepted payment methods. Here's another important 2026 update. Texas issued new identification requirements for vehicle registration transactions. For initial registration, the updated ID requirements took effect on March 5, 2026. Texas also made a major license plate change. As of July 1, 2025, Texas dealers began issuing metal license plates at the time of sale instead of the old paper temporary tags. So if you buy from a dealer, do not be surprised if you receive metal plates at the time of purchase. If you are selling a vehicle in Texas, there is one step you should not skip. File a vehicle transfer notification with Texas DMV. This helps protect you if the buyer fails to transfer the title. Why does this matter? Because until the title is transferred, you may still be connected to tickets, tolls, or other problems involving that vehicle. So if you are the seller, file the transfer notification as soon as possible after the sale. After your registration is processed, your sticker may not arrive immediately. If you renew online or by mail, allow time for processing, printing, and mailing. During that waiting period, keep your registration receipt. It can help show proof that the registration transaction was completed while you wait for the sticker to arrive. So do not throw the receipt away. Keep it with your vehicle records until your sticker arrives. Getting your car title and registration in Texas may seem confusing at first, but once you break it down step by step, the process becomes much easier. The biggest thing to remember is this: be prepared before you go. If this video helped you, please push the like and subscribe buttons to my channel for more step-by-step DMV guides like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay safe and drive responsibly.